Well, a Wisconsin judge is arrested, accused of helping a man avoid being detained by immigration agents. He was arrested today, appeared in a federal court, and was released. FBI Director Kash Patel is saying the judge purposefully directed agents away from a man who was supposed to be arrested in her courthouse. News Nation's Alex Capriello has been following these developments very closely, joins us live. So, Alex, what more are you learning now about her arrest?
Yeah, Kelly, big story that broke this morning. FBI Director Kash Patel says Judge Hannah Dugan, a 9-year veteran on the Milwaukee County bench, attempted to misdirect federal agents from arresting an illegal alien inside of her courtroom. In a social media post, Patel says federal agents chased down Eduardo Flores Ruiz on foot, but the judge's obstruction created increased danger to the public. The Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel reports Dugan allowed Flores Ruiz to leave through a back hallway while immigration officials were conducting business elsewhere. Dugan appeared before a federal judge this morning before being released from custody. Her attorney saying she wholeheartedly regrets and protests her arrest. Wisconsin Democratic Senator Tammy Baldwin has also now weighed in, writing, "The president's administration arresting a sitting judge is a gravely serious and drastic move, and it threatens to breach the United States systems of checks and balances." But also, new U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi made her position clear in her own post, writing, "No one is above the law." Flores Ruiz was appearing in a courtroom to face battery charges, but the Sentinel reports the agents did not have a proper arrest warrant. We've reached out to the Milwaukee FBI division for more details. We're still waiting to hear back.
All right, we'll check back. You know, this comes, Alex, after a similar situation unfolded in New Mexico, where a former Democratic judge and his wife were arrested for allegedly harboring gang members.
Yeah, all across the country, we're seeing more and more examples of officials in high positions pushing back against the Trump administration's roundup of illegal aliens. Take a look at these new images showing federal officials executing an arrest at a home of a former New Mexico judge. The Department of Homeland Security says a former Democratic judge in Doña Ana County and his wife were renting out their backyard casita to an alleged Tren de Aragua gang member. Federal immigration officials say at least 2 other alleged gang members were also living there. Venezuelan national Christian Ortega Lopez, who entered the country illegally back in 2023, was arrested in February after he was caught posing with guns in a social media post. Now, ex-judge Joel Cano and his wife Nancy Cano have also been taken into custody. They claim they didn't know Ortega Lopez had any gang affiliation. The judge and his wife have been booked into a county jail, and they face tampering with evidence charges. The New Mexico Supreme Court, in the meantime, has permanently barred Judge Cano from ever serving on the bench again.
Wow. All right. Alex, thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our News Nation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.